Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Crypto Gangsters. In this video, I'll tell you two major reasons you need to learn about cryptocurrency and blockchain. I made an article here for you guys so you can pause while reading, so you can jot something down. The first thing I mentioned there is the future. Cryptocurrency and blockchain is the future. You see, big firms are making use of cryptocurrency as a transaction and their means of payment, their payment methods. The second thing is crypto is here to solve all your problems. All the financial problems you have in this world. You can't send money from one country to another easily, without third party, without using the bank. But with crypto, you can send money to another continent, to your family member in another continent, within minutes, within seconds, depending on the blockchain they will receive it. So this will drive up the adoption of cryptocurrency in the future, and they will start using, people are already using crypto as their payment method. So very soon, we are making use of the world is changing. We are using automated cars. Everything is going global, digital right now. And the second thing I mentioned, the source of income, very important. Cryptocurrency has produced millions of dollars for millions of people around the world for a few years now, and you can buy low and sell high, which is the major means of making money in crypto space. Then the second ones are the skill, the job. I often hear people say you need money to make money in financial world. That's really that's the fact. But in crypto space, if you have the job required, you will make a lot of money. I know a lot of people making thousands of dollars every fucking month. I am not there yet though. I'm just I'm learning the skill, which I'm learning designing, right? And if you have this skill like web development, software development, digital marketing, blockchain development, crypto blogging, they pay thousands of dollars every month. These big companies in crypto space pay thousands of dollars every month. And the skill I'm learning personally is designing, making art for NFT projects. I will teach you guys about NFT in the future, but for now, these are the two major reasons you need to learn about cryptocurrency. Crypto is the future, is here to solve all the problems, and source of income. Those are the two big major reasons you need to learn about cryptocurrency. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.